Hi guys, so you want to move to the lower version of your extension on your VS Studio Code. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade extensions in VS Studio Code to a lower version. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so as you can see, I have here a list of extensions that I have installed on my VS Studio Code, and I wish to downgrade one of them. And for this, I'll select the extension and here it is. However, if you are wondering how do you access your extensions in the first place, then you need to go to this icon here. This is the extensions icon. If you click on it, now you should see we have installed extensions. So if you had already installed any extension and you wish to downgrade to any lower version, click on the extension. For instance, I'll click on this and I'll wish to downgrade this extension to a lower version. To do that, just head to uninstall and don't click on it. Just go to the more option here, drop down arrow, and if you click on it, we have an option to install specific version. So if you click on this, you will see all the previous versions for this extension with the year. So I'll wish to move to the previous version, which was 2.71. This was for 2 years ago. Currently, it is at 2.80. So this is the current version. However, I'll wish to go to the previous version. I'll just go to it and click on it. And as you can see, the extension is being downgraded. And here we go. It's done. Now to effect these changes, you need to restart your extension. As you are told, extension requires a restart to take effect. So click on restart extension. And here we shall have a restart. Alternatively, if you go ahead and close the code editor here and then open it afresh, you will now have your downgraded version and you can see it here. So that's how you can move to a lower version or downgrade any extension in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.